In this video, you will learn a basic yet functional approach to configure WinDbg, useful for analyzing managed code running as a standalone process or running within a host process. Recognize that there are many techniques for setting up a WinDbg debugging environment. A configuration has some to do with the type of debugging you plan on performing. The setup illustrated in this video is a valid approach for debugging.NET and W3WP memory dumps. To begin, download and install WinDbg from the web page located at aka.ms/WinDbg. Create a directory named WinDbg in the root of the C drive. Within that directory, create 5 additional directories, starting with a directory named symbols. Create a directory named extensions. Within the extensions folder, create a directory named mex. Within the mex directory, create 2 directories, one named x64 and another named x86. Create 2 user environment variables, nt debugger extension path and nt symbol path. The values of them are shown on the slide. Notice that the configuration of the symbol path points to the Microsoft public symbol server. If you need access to the private symbols, please do reach out to an advisor and ask for the private symbol endpoint address. Next, download the public version of mex at aka.mx/mexext. For the memory dumps debugged in this video series, the public version is utilized. Run the executable and extract the files into the WinDbg extensions directory. Open the zip and copy the files into the same directory. Consider deleting the mex.zip file. Copy the x64 mex.dll into the x64 directory. Do the same for the x86 mex.dll file. If you need features available only within the internal version of mex, reach out to an advisor and ask for the download location. This installation process is the same for both the public and private version of mex. Open WinDbg and open a W3WP or .NET memory dump. Consider opening one of the memory dumps included in this video training series. For example, the Windows in-process high CPU memory dump. To gain access to the memory dumps for this training series, reach out to an advisor for the location. Notice that this is a memory dump of a 32-bit process. See the reference to the x86. This is important to recognize as it dictates which extension to load. Once loading of the memory dump completes, load the mex extension by entering and executing the following. Enter and execute the mex help command. Take some time to navigate through the different extensions contained in the mex library. As this series of videos targets .NET, take some special notice of the .NET and Thread extensions. Enter and execute the help for the SOS extension. Take some time to navigate through the different extensions contained in the SOS library. Finally, but extremely important, is to recognize that memory dumps contain very sensitive information. Take extreme precautions and follow documented procedures for the handling of these files. Remove them from all devices once they are no longer needed.